Hello friends, welcome to Indian Fashion Beauty with Art. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you how you can wear a dhoti. Now this video will teach you step by step how you can wear a dhoti in men's style. Now first, wrap the dhoti around your waist and take the middle part and tie a knot. So the first step is to tie a knot just like this. Now after you have tied the knot, now take one part. Now the dhoti is divided into two parts. Now take one part and just under your legs. Take it under your legs just like this, and from the end make pleats. Make the pleats just like this. Now after you have made the pleats, now tuck it at your back, just like this. Now take the other part. So you have taken the first part, made pleats and tucked at your back. Likewise, on the other part also, bring it around under your legs and again make small pleats like this. Just like this, make small pleats. Again, after you have made the pleats, again tuck it around your back over the first pleat. Just like this. Now take the end parts, turn around, again make pleats. And tuck it in front. Again take the other part. And again tuck it. So friends, this is the perfect way to wear a dhoti. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please like and share.